Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 491 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, if you are still losing money trading, please watch this video. And so, of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. Initially, the title doesn't seem to ring anything untrue. Of course, whether or not this strategy is profitable is yet to be seen. And so, like I said, we will play around with it and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Iron Bot V3 indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings, and what we're going to do is jump into the styles, and we're going to change or turn off this plot right here. We're going to scroll down, turn off this plot, and all four of these selections right here, and then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the uptick signal density cloud, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we will jump into the settings and scroll down to the very bottom of the styles. You're going to want to turn off these three selections right here. Then jump into the inputs, and you're going to want to make sure that the first smoothing length is 100, the second smoothing is 200, the extra smoothing is 200, and the thickness of the cloud, or the cloud thickness threshold, is 0.3. Then click OK. And everything should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a short trade is, first and foremost, we are looking for the cloud, the density cloud, to be this purple color here. It also gives the bar the same coloration. And then what we are looking for is a price to be below that density cloud, and for us to get a red arrow like this here from the Iron Bot. And so you can see here that price starts to trade just right below that density cloud, and then right here we get that red arrow to the downside, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot right here. So normally we would do the cloud, but since it's so very close, we'll just go ahead and go with this pivot right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see it takes just a little bit. We make a push, then consolidation, then another push, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the light blue teal colored coloration in the density cloud. We're then looking for price to be trading above that cloud, and we are looking for a green arrow like this here. And so very similar to the last setup, you can see that it price pulls up above that cloud just a few bars before. We can see that that cloud is that light blue teal color, and we get the green arrow to the upside right here. And so that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right here at the other side of the cloud. In this case, it's actually right at the kind of pivot that's formed there as well. And then we're going to target the 1 to 2 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. We get consolidation and a real strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades, putting it at a 42% win rate. With the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,700. For an overall gain of $3,900. And so, not a bad strategy at all. Now, the only thing you should be mindful of is that was over about a 5 to 6 month period of time. And so if you consider that time period for the slight gain that you did get, that's not a wonderful return on investment for your time. And so that's kind of the only drawdown to this particular strategy. Now, during the same period of time, we did 53 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator, had about an 81% win rate, and with that win rate, the total gain using the position management strategy would have been right around $25,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We'll go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.